So good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today we are going to take a small revision on chapter number 5, operations on rational number, that is practice set 22, 23 and 24. And after that, we will continue our practice set 25, 2 to 3 sums are there. Okay, in that practice set. But the revision is very important. Okay, so that's why we are going to do a revision first and then, wait. And then we'll continue our practice set 25. Okay. Now, chapter number 5, operations on rational numbers. First, points to remember. Okay. So here, rational number. First, we have seen what are natural number, the numbers which starts with 1, 2, 3 and all positive numbers. All positive numbers except 0 is called as natural number. All positive numbers and including 0 is called as whole number. And all negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers, are called as an integer. Okay, are called as an integer. So rational number means what? Then if m is any integer means whether it is negative number, positive number, and n is any non-zero integer in both m as well as in n. Okay, all the any integer you can take except 0, because if you will take on m as 0, so 0 upon n will be 0. Or if n is equal to 0, then m upon 0 is also equal to 0. So here, if m is any integer or n is any non-zero integer, then we call it as m upon n, which is also known as rational number. That means fraction. M upon n is a fractional part, right? So this fractional part is known as rational number. So if m is any integer and n is any non-zero integer, then the number m upon n is called as rational number. So we are going to learn operation on rational numbers. Okay. So the next slide is carry out the following addition. Okay, in practice set 22. Okay, we have seen addition of rational numbers. Okay, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, and division of rational numbers. Right? We have seen addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational numbers. Right? So if the numbers, in case of if we add the rational numbers and if the denominators are not same, we have seen the example like if 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is there, and if I ask you about add the rational numbers, so what you are going to do? First see the denominator, whether they are same or not. Please pay attention, everyone. These sums are very important. Okay. So 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. And here the denominators are same or different? The denominators are same. But if the denominators are same, we are not supposed to do cross multiplication. If the denominators are same, then we can directly add the numerators. So when you solve addition or subtraction of, again I repeat, when you solve addition and subtraction of rational number, first see denominators, whether they are same or different. If the denominators are same, then take it as common. 3 is the denominator in this case, 3 is denominator in this case. So we take 3 as common and then we can directly add numerators. What are the numerators here? 2 plus 5, right? 2 plus 5. So we can directly add the numerator. Now 2 plus 5 is what? 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 will be the answer. If the denominators are same, then no need to cross multiply over here. Okay. But if the denominators are different, then what we are going to do? We will do cross multiplication. We will do cross multiplication. Now, if we will not do this step or LCM, we have to take LCM or else what? Okay. If for simply you have to do calculations, what you are going to do? If the denominators are, you can see the denominator in this case is 17 and the denominator in this case is 19. You can see it, right? The denominators are different. Okay, so we cannot add the numerators directly, right? So what we are going to do over here, we cannot directly add the numerator. So what we are going to do? Cross multiplication. Now for cross multiplication, this 11 get multiplied with 19, right? This 11 get multiplied with 19. So when this 11 get multiplied with 19, that 17 also get multiplied with 19. Now 11 into 19 is 209. 17 into 19 is 323. Okay, clear? Now this 13 get multiplied with 17 and 19 get multiplied with 17 as well, right? So the answer is 221 upon 323. Okay. Now 11 upon 27 plus 13 upon 19 is equal to, when we do cross multiply, 11 into 19 is equal to 209. 27 upon 19 is 323. Now again this 13 get multiplied with 27, so the answer is 221. And when this 27 get multiplied with 19, answer is 323. Now our denominators are same. Our denominators are same. So we can directly add numerators. We can directly add numerators. So numerator is 209 plus 221 upon 323, which is equal to 430 upon 323. 430 upon 323. Clear everyone? I hope everyone has cleared. Okay. Don't worry about it. See, the sums are very easy. ठीक है, 11 into 19 upon 17 into 19. अगर ये न्यूमरेटर 19 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो डिनोमिनेटर भी 19 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. प्लस 13 into 17 upon 19 into 17. Okay. Now 11 into 19 209. 27 into 19 323. 27 नहीं है, यहाँ पे 17 आएगा. यहाँ पे गलती से मेरा 27 हुआ था. Okay, 17 into 19 323. Again 13 into 17 221. 13 into 17 into 19 323. Right? Now 209 plus 221 upon 323 is equal to 430 upon 323. Okay, we are going to solve many sums. So when we solve the different sums, you will clear your doubts. Okay. Okay. Now this is a problem of mixed fraction, right? Now here, if mixed fraction is there, what you are going to do? You will solve it first, right? Now 2 get multiplied with 11, 11 into 2 plus 3 upon 11 remain as it is. Again this 77 get multiplied with 1 plus 3 upon 77. Now 2 11s are 22, 22 plus 3 upon 11. 1 into 77, 77 ones are 77 plus 3 upon 77. Now 22 plus 3 is 25 upon 11 and 77 plus 3 80 upon 77. अभी यहाँ पे 77 है और यहाँ पे 11 है. Now what you are going to do? Both the denominators are different. तो आप directly cross multiply करोगे क्या? No, here you are not supposed to do cross multiply. Why you are not supposed to do cross multiply? Because 11 can directly multiply with 7 so that 77 will come. ठीक है. अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे 5 है, डिनोमिनेटर 1/5 और यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2/7 है. ठीक है, तो 5 और 7 का कुछ कनेक्शन है क्या? 5 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता है, 7 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता है. तो आपको, आपके पास ऑप्शन क्या रहता है? डायरेक्टली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन का. ठीक है, बट अगर ऐसा कोई सम आता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/2 है और 3/4 है. ठीक है, तो 2 का डिवीजन 4 में होता है. दैट मीन्स अगर मुझे 4 लाना है डिनोमिनेटर में, तो मैं 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 2 के साथ, तो मैं 1 को भी मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी 2 के साथ, ठीक है। तो मेरा डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा 4, तो 2 1 जा 2 अपॉन 2 2 जा 4, ओके, एंड हियर इट विल कम 3 अपॉन 4। तो आई कैन कंपेयर 2 अपॉन 4 3 अपॉन 4 डायरेक्टली। समझ में आ रहा है? तो अगर हमको डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल लाना है तो एक मेथड है कि आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, या फिर दूसरी मेथड है कि आपको देखना है कि यहाँ पे अगर 4 है यहाँ पे 2 है, तो 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है क्या? यस आता है, तो मैं डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी ना न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 2 से, तो मेरा डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वलाइज हो जाएगा, इक्वलाइज हो जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड? हमको सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल करना है, वो कैसे करना है वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है। आप चाहे तो अगर आपके टेबल में वो नंबर आ रहा है दूसरा नंबर, तो आप वो नंबर से न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो। अगर वो नंबर आपके दोनों डिनोमिनेटर के वो नंबर मैच नहीं हो रहा है, तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? यू विल डायरेक्टली डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, ठीक है, you will directly do cross multiplication. But here for getting 77, if I multiply this 11 by 7, so I will multiply this 25 by 7 as well. Now 25 7s are 175 and 11 7s are 77 plus 80 upon 77. Now my denominators are getting same, right? Now 175, now I can directly add numerator 175 plus 80 upon 77. Now 175 plus 80 is equal to 255 upon 77. Okay, that will be the answer. I have already explained this sum to you. Okay, this is only a revision. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो गए प्लस ये 3 ऐड होगा, दिस 11 get 1 get multiply with 17 plus 3. Okay, now 2 into 11, 2 11s are 22 plus 3 25 upon 11. Now 1 into 77 is 77 plus 3 is 80 upon 77. Now to get this 77 denominator, I will multiply this 11 with 7 and 25 with 7. Okay, now this 25 into 7 is 175 and 11 into 7 is 77 plus 80 upon 77. Now I got now both the new denominators same. So I will write here 77 as common and I will take 175 and 80 directly. ठीक है, now 175 plus 80 is 255 upon 77. Got it everyone? Now next sum we have taken. Okay, carry out subtraction. Subtraction is same as that of the addition. 2 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Okay, both the denominators are different and we cannot adjust this denominator as 11 के टेबल में 7 नहीं है, 7 के टेबल में 11 नहीं है, right? So what we are going to do? We will do cross multiply. So 7 get multiply with 7 upon 11 also get multiply with 7. Minus sign remain as it is. Now 3 get multiply with 11 upon 7 also get multiply with 11. Okay, now 7 into 7 upon 11 into 7 minus 3 get multiply with 11, so 7 also get multiply with 11. See, अगर ये 7 7 के साथ multiply हो रहा है ना, तो उसका denominator भी उसी number के साथ multiply होगा. Minus sign will come here and then 3 get multiply with 11 upon 7 also get multiply with 11. Now 7 7s are 49 upon 11 7s are 77 minus 11 3s are 33 upon 11 7s are 77. Now here again both the denominators are same, right? So I will take it as common and 49 minus 33. Now 49 minus 33 is what? 16 upon 17. 16 upon 17. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me check your chat box. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Some students are saying, teacher, you teach these sums very nicely. So we have no doubt again. Okay, good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good response. 7th standard, I am getting very good response from you. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. Okay. I hope 7th A student also happy with me. Yes or no? I hope 7th A students, because B and C students are familiar with me, but I hope 7th A students, I'm asking to you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, move to the next slide. Okay. Here again, mixed fraction is there, right? Now here again 2 get multiplied with 4 plus 1 upon 2. Minus sign remain as it is. This 3 get multiplied with 3 plus 1. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now this 4 get multiplied with 2 plus 1, right? This 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 get multiplied with 3 plus 1 upon 3, right? Now do this sum. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2, right? Minus 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Now again the denominators are different. So what we are going to do? Cross multiply, because 2 is not there in 3 table, 3 is not there in second table, right? 2's table. Now cross multiply. 9 get multiplied with 3 upon 2 also get multiplied with 3. Minus 10 get multiplied with 2 and 3 also get multiplied with 2. Correct? Now 9 3s are 8. 9 3s are 27 upon 6 minus 10 2s are 20 upon 6, right? Now here both the denominators are same. So we can directly subtract the number. So 27 minus 20 upon 6. So 27 minus 20, 7 upon 6 is the answer. जैसे addition है वैसे ही subtraction है, right? Okay. Now the easiest one is what? Multiplication. Easiest one is what? Multiplication, because no need to cross multiply. Numerator get directly multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with denominator. Again I repeat this, students, please see here addition and in subtraction, if the denominators are same, so you can directly add numerators. You know, numerators you can directly add. But if the denominators are different, then you have to do cross multiplication. But be sure that the first rational number in first rational number and if in the second rational number, अगर denominator में adjustment होती है, for example एक में 2 है, एक में 4 है, तो 2 2s are 4. You can directly multiply numerator and denominator by 2 so that you will get the denominator 4. तो ऐसा अगर adjustment होता है तो then you will do that adjustment. But if the denominators are totally different from each other, there is no relation in between that two denominator. So what you are going to do? Cross multiplication, right? And when you are doing cross multiplication, the numerator get also multiply with the same number, denominator also get multiply with the same number. But in case of this multiplication, आपको कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. That numerator get multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with denominator, right? Now minus 8 get multiply with 3 and 9 get multiply with 4. Now 8 3s are 24, right? But minus into plus is minus, so minus 24 is the answer. 9 4s are 36. So minus 24 upon 36. But here one of the complication is there and you have to see that what the complication is, right? So what you are going to do is, okay, what you are going to do, you have to convert that numbers into its lowest form. तो आपको देखना है ये 24 है और ये 36 है, तो क्या ये नंबर इससे भी लोएस्ट हो सकता है क्या? कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो जिसमें 24 भी आता है और 36 भी आता है? तो that is 12, right? So 12, I will divide this 24 by 12 as well as I will divide this 36 by 12. Be sure that both the number 24 and 36 or else any number can be divided by the same number. नहीं तो आप 24 12 से divide कर रहे हो और 36 किसी और number से divide करते हो, तो that will be wrong. If this 24 get divided with 12, that 36 also get divided with the same number, that is 12, so that it will be converted into its lowest form. So 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. अभी 2 और 3 वापस से किसी टेबल में आते हैं क्या? No. So our division will stop here and the answer is minus 2 upon 3. Okay, in this case one concept I have not explained to you, that is reciprocal. ठीक है, reciprocal. अगर यहाँ पे आपका नंबर है -8 or else any number, तो -8 means what? -8 upon 1. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of this? Reciprocal means what? Reciprocal means you have to invert that number. You have to invert that number. So -8 upon 1 है. So exactly invert क्या होगा -8 upon 1 का? 1 upon 8. Okay, 1 upon 8. Minus sign will be there as it is. ठीक है? तो this is the reciprocal of -8, that is 1 upon 8. अब अगर आपको मैंने बोला कि what will be the reciprocal of, for example 2/3, 2/3 का reciprocal क्या है? तो exactly उल्टा क्या होगा? 2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 3/2. So reciprocal of 2/3 is what? 3/2. Clear everyone? That day I have not explained you reciprocal of number. ठीक है? So 2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल होगा 3/2. For example 4 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा फिर? Let me know in chat box quickly. What will be the reciprocal of 4? What will be the reciprocal of 4? Quickly write down in chat box. 1/4. Good. 1/4. It's 1/4. Very good. The reciprocal of 4 is what? 1/4. Because 4 means what? 4/1. Okay. And the reciprocal of 4/1 means what? 1/4. Right. And what will be the reciprocal of then 1/9? What will be the reciprocal of 1/9 then? Please let me know in chat box. 1/9 का reciprocal क्या होगा? Quickly give answer in chat box. 9/1 or 9. You can say it as 9. 9/1. Denominator में 1 का value कुछ भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है? 9/1 means 9. Okay, 9. Okay. So the reciprocal of 1/9 is 9. Very good. Very good. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. 7th standard students are very bright. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next sum. Now here we have seen multiplication of rational number. Now here we are going to see division of rational number, right? So these are also simple. Division का sign आपको किस में convert करना है? Multiplication में. And when you convert this division sign into multiplication sign, your second rational number will get inverted. Second rational number will get inverted. Why second rational number will get inverted? क्यों फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर इन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहा है और सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर ही इन्वर्ट हो रहा है? वेट अ मिनट. सी फॉर एग्जांपल हियर -10 upon 11, okay, and divided by this -11 upon 10. So we cannot solve this division, so we will convert the divide sign into multiplication sign. Okay, once I convert the division sign into multiplication sign, my second rational number get inverted. Sign वहां का वही रहेगा, ठीक है, बट सिर्फ नंबर उल्टा हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा वो? 10/11/10 का क्या हो जाएगा? 10/11. Okay, and once I convert this into sign, we can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So -10 into -10, minus into minus plus. So 10 into 10 is what? 10 into 10, 100, right? And 11 into 11 is what? 121. Okay, 11 into 11, 121. But be sure that students, ये sign, you have to see the signs very carefully. Addition और subtraction में आपका minus minus plus होता है, but sign minus ही रहता है. But in case of multiplication, minus get multiplied with minus, so the answer is what? In plus, right? So the answer is 100/121. Clear? In this case also -7/8 divided by -3/6. So when I convert that -3/6, exactly माइनस साइन वही की वही रहेगा. 6 का 3/6 का कन्वर्जन 6/3 में हो जाएगा. राइट नाउ 6 get multiply with 7 and 8 get multiply with 3. Okay, or else तो क्या होगा आंसर? 7 6 42. Okay, and 8 3 24. कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें 42 भी आता है और 24 भी आता है, 6 है ना, डिवाइड बाय 6 करो, डिवाइडेड बाय 6, 6 4 जा 24 and 6 7 जा 42. Okay, so the answer is what? 7/4. वापस से इसका फर्दर डिवीजन होता है क्या? No. तो that is our lowest form. Please students, please make note of it. When you got the answer, you have to see that whether this can be converted into its lowest form or not. So to convert this number into its lowest form, it should be divided by the same number. Okay, आपको देखना ये कौन से टेबल में आता है. Once you got the same number by which you will divide the number, okay, if the answer will not be further divided, okay, then that will be its lowest form. That will be its lowest form. I hope everyone has been cleared. Okay. Okay, now move to the next one. Okay, quickly we will do these. We have done. Now this practice set 23 is very easy actually. Wait a minute, I have some chats. Let me see. Okay, good. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the 2 given numbers. That we have seen how to find the rational number between the 2 given numbers, right? How it is? We have to see 4/5 and 2/3. We have to equalize the denominator first. Here 5 and here 3 is denominator. So what I am going to do is cross multiply 4 into 3 upon, क्या करूंगी मैं, 5 को भी multiply करूंगी 3 से, right? I will multiply this 4/3 and 5/3 as well, right? क्योंकि we will do cross multiply. 4 get multiply with 3. Similarly, 5 get multiply with 3. ठीक है? Now again, this 2 get multiply with 5. This 2 get multiply with what? 5. Similarly, this 3 get multiply with 5, right? 3 also get multiply with 5, right? Now 4 3s are what? 4 3s are 12, right? And 5 3s are what? 5 3s are 15, right? Now 2 5s are 10 upon 3 5s are what? 15, right? Now the denominators are same. So which number is lie between 12 and 10? 11 upon 10 upon 15. 11 upon 15, then 12 upon 15. But we want 3 rational numbers that lie between the two number. तो 3 rational number के लिए हमको वापस से इनको 2 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. So if I multiply this 12 by 2, so I will get 12 2s are 24. 24 upon 15 2s are what? 30, right? 15 2s are 30. So I will write here as 30. Now again I will multiply this 10 by 2 means what? 20. Sorry. 20 upon 15 2s are what? 30. आपको ये सारी स्टेप्स लिखने हैं, ठीक है? तो अगर नोट्स में नहीं है तो आप अभी नोट डाउन कर लो, ठीक है? First, what you are going to do? 4 3s are 12 upon 5 3s are 15 and 2 5s are 10 upon 5 3s are 15. Now you got 12 upon 15 and 10 upon 15. But 3 rational numbers are not there in between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Only one rational number is there. So what I am going to do? I will multiply this by 2. अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद भी हमको 3 रैशनल नंबर नहीं मिलते हैं तो हम उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now 15 2s are 30 and 12 2s are 24. 15 2s are 30 and 10 2s are 20. Now are there 3 rational number in between these two rational number? Yes, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30 means we got 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30, right? These 3 rational number we got. 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30. So 3 rational numbers that lie between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3 are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. Clear everyone? Okay. Now the 3 rational number between 7 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9. Now there are many rational numbers are there between minus 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. You can take by your choice. ठीक है? क्योंकि -5 और 7/9 के बीच में बहुत बड़ा गैप है, राइट? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, इतने सारे नंबर है -5/9 और 7/9 के बीच में. So you can take any rational number, any three rational number in between these two. Like for example, I have taken 6/9, 0, -4/9. You can take 5/9, 1/9, -3/9, -2 upon any three rational number you can take as per your choice. Okay. Now here -3/4 plus 5/4. Here also the denominators are same. So no need to cross multiply again. Okay, you can take many rational number as per your choice. -2/4, -1/4, 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, you can take as much as means only three rational number you have to take, but you can take any in between these two. Okay. Now this is all about practice set 23. Okay, I hope you understood practice set 23. It's very easy, right? Now come to practice set 24. Okay, this practice set is also easy. आपको क्या करना है? 7 को divide करना है 8 से, but 7 cannot be divided by 8 directly. So 8 zeros are 0. Point decimal point दिया. Decimal point देने के बाद we will take here 0, right? Now 7 8s are 64. 6 is remainder. Again we will take here 0, right? Now 8 7s are 56. Now 4 is remainder. Again I will take here 0 down. Now 8 5s are 40. 0. Okay. If the answer is 0.875, that means what? 0.875. This is terminating recurring form. यहाँ पे आपका division stop हुआ है. That means it is terminating recurring form. See, always always notice that what the sign is there in question. आप 7 को 8 से divide करोगे, आपका आंसर भी 0.875 आएगा. But अगर आपने आंसर को negative sign नहीं लगाया, because the question is in negative, so the answer will also comes in नेगेटिव. सो अगर आपने आंसर में ये डिवीजन करने के बाद नेगेटिव नहीं लगाया तो योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग, even though you solved it correctly. But if you will not given the sign negative here in the answer, your answer will be wrong. It will consider wrong. So whenever you are solving sum, please pay attention on the sign given on question. Okay, so in question negative sign is there, so your answer must come in negative only. Correct? Okay. Okay, now move to the next one. We have seen this division as well, right? Now see here this 5/12, right? 5/12. Now I will divide this 5 by 12, right? 5 by 12. So here 12 and here 5. Okay, here it will come 5. Okay, so 5 cannot be divided with 12 directly. So I will take here 0, right? So 12 zeros are 0. Okay, now I will subtract this 0 from 5. So here it will come, sorry, here it will come 5. Okay, now for that again I will take here decimal point. If I take here decimal point, 0 will come here, right? Now 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. So here I will take 48. Here I will take 48. So if I will take here 48, so 50 minus 48, what will come? 2. Okay, तो वापस से मैं डेसिमल पॉइंट दूंगी क्या? यहाँ पे एक बार अगर मैंने डेसिमल पॉइंट दिया, मुझे बार बार डेसिमल पॉइंट देने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लूंगी? 0. नाउ 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. So because 12 twos are 24 and 24 cannot be subtracted from 20. So here 20 minus 12. Now 20 minus 12 is students, please, because of some network issue, the screen was disconnected. Okay. We'll continue it again. Okay. We'll continue it again. Wait a minute. Okay. So we have seen this. Wait a minute. Huh. So where I was here. Okay. Okay. So this 8, again, I will subtract this 72 from 80. Okay. And then again, I will, again, 8 will comes down, right? Again, 8 will comes down. Okay. Again, 8 will comes down. So this 8 will comes again and again, Okay. So what I will do here, this again 12 6 are 72, 12 6 are 72, this 6 will get repeat again. Okay. So what I'm going to do here I will take 6 and put dot over that 6. Okay, put dot over that 6. So this dot represent, this 6 will repeat again and again. Okay, so this is known as non-terminating recurring form. Non-terminating recurring form. Okay. Okay. Now let's move. I hope you understood this division. Okay. Now practice set 25. Simplify the following expression. Okay. 50 get multiplied with 5. Wait a minute. This 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Okay, dear students. So see here we are going to learn a new concept, that is a BODMAS rule. Okay, here BODMAS rule. B-O-D, then M-A, and here S. BODMAS rule. Okay, what is meant by this BODMAS rule then? B means what? We have to solve whenever these kinds of simplify sums are there, whenever there are expressions are there, what you are going to do? You are going to do first, you are going to solve first bracket, then of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First you are going to solve bracket. Okay, अगर bracket वहां पे है तो आप पहले bracket solve करोगे. O stand for of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So in this case, as per BODMAS rule, first division we are going to solve, right? But in this case, 5 cannot be divided with 2, right? 5 cannot be divided with 2. So we are going to solve multiplication first. Okay, we are going to solve multiplication first. Okay, now here 50 get multiplied with 5. So the answer is 250. When 50 get multiplied with 5, पहले हम 50 multiply करेंगे 5 से, then division 2 plus 24 remain as it is. Now first we are going to do division. 250 by 2. Okay, so the answer is 125 plus 24, and 125 plus 24 is what? 149. Again I repeat this, please pay attention everyone. Okay, these simplify the following expression. As per this rule, BODMAS rule, we have to solve first bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So while doing here first multiplication sign is there, division and plus. So in between these three, what we are going to solve? First division. But 5 cannot be divided 2 directly. So for first we are going to do multiplication. When 50 get multiplied with 5, the answer is 250. Then divide, then 2 plus 24. Okay. Now 250 divided by 2 is what? 125. है ना, अगर मैंने 250 को 250 get divided with 2, if I divide this 250 by 2, then the answer is what? 125. ठीक है, 125. Okay. Now if I divide this 2 by 250, I will get the answer 125. So 125 plus 24 is equal to 149. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. Now move to the next sum. Okay, here. See here, students, please pay attention. Here 13 into 4 is in bracket, divided by 2 minus 26. In this case, as per BODMAS rule, what we are going to solve first? Bracket, division, multiplication or subtraction? Give me answer in your chat box. What we are going to solve first as per BODMAS rule? Yes? Bracket. Bracket, correct. Bracket, we are going to solve bracket first. So which is the bracket in this case? Bracket is 13 into 4. So 13 4s are 52. फिर divide sign जैसे के वैसा नीचे आएगा, then 2, then minus 26. Now अभी ये step के बाद divide पहले होगा कि minus पहले होगा, division होगा कि subtraction होगा as per BODMAS rule? Division होगा. Okay, what division will there? Okay, so 52 divided by 2 अगर मैं करूंगी तो मुझे आंसर मिलेगा 26. Minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay, so 13 4s, I will solve this bracket first. 13 4s are 52 divided by this 2 minus 26. Now 52 divided by 2 is 26 minus 26. So 26 minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay. Now similarly, in this case 140 divided by minus 11 into minus 3 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Okay, here, wait a minute. Okay, so I will write here 140 as it is, 140. Then divide sign will come down. Now in the whole bracket, I will solve the bracket first, right? In the whole bracket. So bracket may be bracket hai, that is 11 into minus 3, minus 11 into minus 3. We know that minus into minus is plus, 11 3s are 33. Now off, पहले हम off solve करेंगे, minus into minus plus, so here plus sign will come, 42. Then divide will comes down, minus 1. Okay, now again 140 comes down as it is, divided by this 33 plus 42. यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है, डिवाइड साइन है, माइनस साइन है, तो कौन सा नंबर पहले सॉल्व होगा? 33 प्लस 42 करेंगे, या 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 14 करेंगे, या 14 माइनस 1 करेंगे सबसे पहले एज पर BODMAS रूल? क्या सॉल्व होगा पहले? Yes, let me know in chat box. हाँ, पहले 33 प्लस 42 सॉल्व होगा, क्या 42 डिवाइडेड बाय 14 सॉल्व होगा, या 14 माइनस 1 सॉल्व होगा? Yes, yes, 42 divide solve होगा, correct. Means 42 get divided, 33 will comes down as it is, 42 divided by 14 means अगर हम 42 को 14 से divide करते तो we'll get the answer 3 minus 1. Now 33 plus पहले 3 होगा कि 3 minus 1 पहले होगा? First addition will solve. 33 plus 3 36 and 36 minus 1 35. Now divide this 140 by 35. So we'll get the answer 4. Okay, very simple. As per BODMAS rule, first you have to solve bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, so don't get confused. We will solve many more sums after this. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. Okay, good response you have given me. Okay, thank you very much.